Guys, it's Friday again. It's time for another delicious seafood recipe, and today it's time for a real classic. It's gonna be a shrimp cocktail, but with a twist, with samphire. Actually, this classic cocktail is really easy to make. We're using brown shrimp today, just been certified by the Marine Stewardship Council here in the Netherlands and in Germany, but you could replace this shrimp for any other shrimp, prawn, crab, even lobster. Okay, first thing we make is the sauce, and therefore I'm using cream. Okay, so this is the cream. So I whisk the cream until it gets a little bit thicker. This was around 2 tablespoons of cream. So now I add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Now I add like half a tablespoon of ketchup. And now we get this classic light orange color. And what I like is to use a bit of whiskey or maybe brandy in my sauce, but feel free not to use any alcohol. It will be an amazing dish too. Okay, let's say a teaspoon. And to spice it up, a bit of tabasco, a few drops. And a bit of Worcestershire. I never know how exactly to pronounce it. Worcestershire sauce. Bit of salt. Bit of black pepper. Give it a mix. And always when you make a sauce or a dressing, taste. Perfectamentos. Okay, guys, it's already time to build up. So easy. This recipe, but it's delicious. Okay, I'm using a cocktail glass. Could use anything, glass, a bowl. The first step actually is that we're going to build it with a bit of lettuce. I have some iceberg lettuce. I take out of the outer leaves. I use that for my salad, not for this cocktail. Then I take a nice piece of the lettuce. And that's the first step. I'm going to arrange that nicely in my glass, in my cocktail glass. Next step, avocado. Cut it lengthwards, maybe a bit diagonal, and I scoop the meat of the avocado out of it. I would say maybe a bit less than half avocado. Okay, so today I'm using brown shrimp. It's a beautiful small shrimp. You will find them here in the North Sea. So I'm using 1.5 tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons of peeled shrimp. Then like a tablespoon of sauce, and I give this a mix. Now I add a bit of the samphire, and samphire is a beautiful thing. It's now in season. It's actually since the start of spring until late summer you will find samphire, and it's a very salty vegetable. Actually grows at the tides of the sea. It's amazing. Okay, I serve it on top here. Add the samphire. Almost last step, I'm going to add a bit of paprika powder, a bit of lemon zest, and then a lemon wedge. And how they do this traditionally, you cut off size like this, and you cut just under the skin, halfway, and a piece of lemon. Here we go, a shrimp cocktail. Time for a taste. Okay, take the prawns, bit of the avocado and the samphire. It's simple, it's comfort food. Nice to eat it with some toast. Really, really delicious. If you have any comments, any questions, leave them in the box down below. Please subscribe to our channel to see more delicious seafood recipes, and see you soon on another Fishy Friday. Cheers!